Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with other scenarios where you can use AI together with our MCP client. And in this video, we are going to cover topics around getting online data, translate them, and get them exported. For the AI, it's important to either continue in the conversation that you had before, so the AI agent knows the context, or you need to ask for the context again. So that's what we are going to do right now. I'm going to start a new conversation with Claude, and I am passing this prompt to get a new context so we can work with our environment. Now the AI knows the context, so I would like to have new properties on my player item to contain the height and some short bio of the player. Okay, it's done. So let's check our players, whether they are new properties created. And as you can see, there is both height and bio created for our players. So let's populate them now. The AI is searching online now, getting the height and some short bio for each of my players. Okay, it's done. So let's switch back to our project and let's refresh those two elements to see whether they are populated correctly or not. And as you can see, both height and the bio are there. Now let's try to make an operation the MCP server is not ready for. We are going to try to create a new language and rename the original one. You can see that the Claude is complaining about not knowing what to do directly through the MCP server, but it's giving us information what to do in our project manually. So let's do that. We are going to go to localization menu item and let's rename default language to English. And also let's create new language called German. Now we can go back to Claude and we can let Claude to translate all the players from English to German. Okay, the translation is done. So let's check our players in our project. And let's switch from English to German. All right. Now we can see that not only the bio was translated to German, but the height is now in meters. Now we have our players completed, so let's try to export them. I've chosen the CSV format, so it's easily exportable to any other tool. The AI is now getting all the information about all of my players in both English and German language. So let's see what the output looks like. Let's download that output. and we can check how it looks like in Excel. As you can see, we have successfully exported all of our players. And that's all for today's video. Have a nice day.